All right, what's going on, guys? Vinny here, back with another video. It is 2023. I am pumped and ready for this trading year. Last year was a good year. This one is going to be even better when it comes to trading. Guys, I want you to understand this cheat code system is the best cheat code out there ever created. Okay. Today in this video, guys, we're gonna go over the JPY pairs because there's a big opportunity brewing with the JPY pairs. So on January 2nd, this is my free Telegram group. Link is in the description if you want to join our free Telegram group. I'll give out trade ideas, meaning that I'll give you a chart like this, and guys, you have to pick your own stop loss and take profit. Once you become members, and then I'll give you the stop loss and take profit area. But I'll give out trade ideas in this group every day, 5 days a week. All right. So JPY pairs, I called this out January 2nd. USD JPY, NZD JPY, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, all buys, CAD JPY, CHF JPY, which is one of my favorite pairs to trade. All buy signals, guys. Oh, real quick, here is a testimony from one of our members. He says, been using this indicator for over a month. I have made confidently 6 figures using this. Best indicator I've used in 16 years of trading. Guys, I'm telling you, the cheat code system is unbelievable. It's highly, highly accurate. You won't find anything like it on the internet. I can guarantee you that. Just want to show you another testimony. Here's a US 30 trade that I took, made $6,000 with that US 30 trade using the cheat code system, guys. Here are all the trades that I called out for the JPY pairs. We made over 1,500 pips in 2 days, guys, in 2 days. Let's go over these trades real quick. Right now we're on AUD JPY. We can see that we have what we call a retail trading, a double bottom. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn on the indicator. Indicator is very, very simple to use. You get 2 buy and sell signals. The ones highlighted in green are divergence buy and sell signals. Then you have the cheat code buy signal. Okay, so once you get the cheat code and the divergence buy signal, you know price is going to reverse. All right, so AUD JPY was for a buy. Okay, let's go to the next one. CAD JPY was also for a buy. I didn't take this trade, but one of our members took this trade on CAD JPY. Let's go to the next one. CHF JPY. This is the one I took. I made over 350 pips with this trade. Actually, one of our members in our group also took this trade. Let me show you this testimony. He says, I caught 140 pips on CHF JPY. The cheat code is crazy. Guys, this indicator is unbelievable. All right, let's go to UJ. I know a lot of people trade UJ. Again, cheat code buy signal, divergence buy signal, price went up in our direction. Pips on top of pips. GBP JPY is a lot of you who trade GBP JPY. Again, cheat code buy signal, divergence buy signal, price went in our direction. You see how you caught with this indicator, guys, you can catch the tops and the bottoms of a trade. Okay, very, very easy. Okay, NTD JPY. Again, cheat code buy signal, divergence buy signal, straight into profit. Last but not least, USD JPY. All right. So there's a big opportunity for us to swing trade all the JPY pairs. A reason why I say that, let's go to one of the highest time frames I like to use is our weekly time frame, guys. Okay. So on the weekly time frame, we are actually below the 47 moving average on USD JPY. But what we do have, guys, is a cheat code buy signal. Okay, so we can expect some more up movement for USD JPY. NZD JPY, same exact scenario, guys. Price is outside of the band. We should see a cheat code buy signal print soon. If not, it's typically that's totally okay. Because price is closed back inside of the band, so we can expect some more upside movement, and we are on the weekly time frame. Okay. With this indicator, if you guys are new, we are looking for a price to go outside of the band. That's what I call an extreme in the market. We only trade extremes because they offer the highest risk to reward ratio when it comes to trading. So when price goes outside of the band, you get a cheat code sell signal, like in this example. You can take that with confidence that price is going to go in the other direction. Okay. And this is a indicator you can use for scalping, for intraday trading, or for swing trading. It trades all instruments, Forex, crypto, stocks, futures, whatever it is that you trade, you can use this indicator for. Highly, highly accurate. GBP, JPY, again, cheat code buy signal on a weekly time frame. We can expect some more upside movement with this pair here, okay? So you guys can be buying GBP, all JPY pairs next week. Euro JPY, same exact scenario. Price is outside of the band. We have an extreme in the market. Price closed back inside of the band as a bullish pin bar. We can expect some more price price movement for Euro JPY. CHF JPY, which is my favorite pair to trade. Again, cheat code buy signal, bullish pin bar. We can expect some more upside movement with CHF JPY. In a minute, I'll explain how this indicator exactly works and what to look for. CAD JPY, again, this white candle here is a bullish engulfing candle. The yellow candles that you see is a bearish engulfing candle. So it gives you your engulfing candles. Price is outside of the band. We got a cheat code buy signal on the weekly time frame, so we can expect some more upside movement. Last but not least, AUD JPY. This is one of the greatest indicators ever created. Cheat code buy signal. Price closed back inside of the band bullish, so we can expect some more upside movement from off the weekly time frame. Okay, so also, again, I showed you guys we have a double bottom here, so price is going to continue to go higher. Okay, so Monday you can expect prices to push up, all right, before during a pullback. So that's what I wanted to show you guys on these JPY pairs, okay? Also, the indicator, I will be increasing the price, okay? So let me get this out the way real quick and I'll show you, all right? So the price of the indicator will be increasing on Monday for one-time access to $297 for lifetime access. That means you get access to our signals, our daily signals, group coaching. We're going to be going live twice a week in our trading room, so you guys can see when I actually call out trades for the day for the New York session. For those of you who trade full time, you'll have access to our live trading room. I'll be going live twice a week. All right, for that. We'll also be doing a couple London sessions that'll be coming up later in the month. But you guys will have access to that. And then the other monthly price is going to be $127 a month. Okay. This is for the indicator and group coaching. All right. For indicator, $297 is just for the indicator. All right. The $127 a month is for group coaching and also access to the indicator. All right. So you guys will have access to that. What else did I want to share with you guys real quick? Let me show you how accurate this indicator is, guys. Let's take a look at this example here, right here, okay? In this example, price went outside of the band. Okay, we got a cheat code sell signal. Price pushed up a little higher, okay? This is why I always tell my students to wait for price to close back inside of the band so you have confirmation, because price can always push higher, but once that signal prints, price is going to reverse. Price is going to reverse. So we got a cheat code buy signal, cheat code sell signal, and also a divergent sell signal, indicating that price wants to reverse. And what did price do? Came all the way back down across this other side of the band. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to take this as a swing trade, okay? Let's say you actually waited for price to close back out inside of the band. And let's say you got in right here at this high, and you waited for price to go outside of the band, okay? You would have that would have been a 14-day swing trade, and you would have made 504 pips, okay? Just off that signal alone, guys. 504 pips just off that signal. Let's take a look at the buy on AUD JPY that I called out. Okay, how many pips was that exactly? All right, we're going to go from this demand zone all the way up. Okay, that was 292 pips, guys. And that one trade, 292 pips. This indicator is truly amazing. Okay, it's going to be changing lives in 2023. There's nothing out here like this, guys. So on a lower time frames, these lines right here, these green lines are going to be your support and resistance lines on the lower time frame. Okay. So as you see here, it prints your daily support or resistance area, 4 hour, and also your daily. Okay. So they automatically draw. If you see a line with no H4, H1, or a daily letter, then that means that area hasn't been retested yet. Okay. So once that area has been tested, then it will print an H4, H1, H30, or daily time frame support and resistance lines. I try to keep it as simple as possible. I use the 47 moving average. Okay. When price is below, you want to be looking for sales and it will turn red. If price is above, you want to be looking for buys. Okay. So what can we expect on AUD JPY on Monday? We can expect price to continue to push up to get a cheat code sell signal again, and then price will pull back. Probably late Monday going into Tuesday. Wednesday we should expect a reversal for price to go higher. Okay, that's what we can expect for these JPY pairs on next week. All right. So just wanted to go over that with you. Links will be in the description. Make sure you guys go get the cheat code. We want to invite you to our group. We're doing big things right now. People are having success with the cheat code system. This is the best indicator, hands down, on the market right now. So make sure you grab it before price increases. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.